Hello and welcome to Access Allowed. Today, my guests are my favorite family on the internet. All three of you, very talented. I live for your vlogs. It's amazing. Gaurav, Ritu, and Rashu, welcome to Access Allowed.
Thank you.
Rashu, we are on TV. Rashu, we are on TV.
Okay, listen. I cannot start talking to you guys before addressing this cuteness on the screen. I'm not talking about either of you, Gaurav and Ritu. I'm talking about Rashu. Hi, Rashu.
Say hi.
Rashu, you have to once say fan kidhar hai?
Fan. Is she fan? She won't answer.
She's on the phone. Did you guys ever think of this separately? Where when Rashu came in, did you ever think of, or was it a gradual thing of? Obviously, she's a part of the family, so she has to be a part of the vlogs. Or did you take a moment and think of, should she be a part of the vlogs? Should she? I mean, how does this affect her and all of that? Did you ever have a discussion about that?
Yes. In fact, when she was born, we didn't used to show her face and we didn't used to reveal her face because we were
really?
We were making that decision that if we should put her on the camera or not. But then after a while, we realized, if she's part of our family, then it's very difficult to pretend in front of people that you are not. Like if she's part of us, then she has to be there.
Tell me this whole situation of vlogging and creating content with people in the family. I've always realized that, I can't work with my family. I swear to God, if I was in a situation where I had to work with my family on a daily basis, I would kill them because I wouldn't be able to survive this.
I just tell you, just before joining this, call with you, so Gaurav left me and he started it. I'm doing it, so it happens with us also.
So before we joined this call with Renil, so I told Ritu, yaar, tu bahut late ho rahi hai, main akele hi kar deta hu ye show. So it happened like to the previous question also. So we were shooting this when we were in Kanpur. So Ritu had to shoot something for her Instagram, and it was a very natural integration because we love playing lion with Rashi. So we say Rashi lion, she also does ha. So we had to. She does that 24/7. 24/7 should be like lion, papa. Now that Instagram photo had to be like I'm doing lion and she's becoming saying lion like a Simba. तो इसने नहीं किया भाई साहब. इसने नहीं किया तो इसने नहीं किया. We had to call them कि boss today we cannot submit it. We'll try again tomorrow. Because today she's not ready to do it.
Yeah.
बच्चों के साथ
going tantrum, so we can't do it today.
Yeah.
The whole fan situation, while there is a lot of love, it can be a little dangerous, right? Because I know you have mentioned that people have showed up outside your house and in the area, and if you get into a public space, that it's not the easiest thing to maneuver everybody. It can be a lot of people. What about like a kid? Because now she's going to get to an age where she's going to go to school, and millions of people watch the content you create. She is very famous. People know her. People recognize her. It's not a face that people don't know. They know her very well. Do you ever worry about this? And what about like the part where her security is taken care of and she's safe and all of that? Is this something that worries you?
No, it is something which has been on our mind since the day one.
Yeah.
And we already have something in place to take care of all those things. Once she starts to go out more often when we are not there, we are more worried when we are not around. So we have already thought about it, and we already know ki.
I don't know.
Hello.
You want sanitizer?
Oh, very good, Rashu. That is very good. You are showing an example to the whole world. Sanitizer. Very good. Yay!
Aya.
Yes. Thank you.
Hey, don't give it to him. Yeah. So we already have thought about it, और कुछ है दिमाग में कि कैसे करेंगे situation tackle, but it is not as bad as like influencer में क्या है ना, आप एक चीज अगर लोगों से बोलोगे ना सच्चाई से कि मेरे को ये प्रॉब्लम है, प्लीज आप लोग इसको समझ लो, तो लोग नहीं करते. मैंने देखा.
It used to happen that a lot of people used to show up at our gate. So once we addressed that problem in our vlogs, and we were like, please, we request you, because we have our family, we do have a child, we have parents, and trust me, Renil, we have seen a lot of different aspects. Now hardly there are people who show up like that. So I think it does make
Even if people come, they leave a letter that sorry, I was here. You told us not to come, but please, I'm very sorry. But I still didn't come up because you said it, so I'm leaving a letter. They're so sweet.
That's sweet. That's sweet. That's big.
Indian audience are that way very sweet compared to any other audience.
मैं ऋषि को मम्मा पापा के साथ छोड़ दूं क्योंकि
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah.
Actually, this is a sleeping time. I think evening. दोपहर हो गई ना.
Oh.
Hi, Rishu.
You
wanna say bye?
Hi. Does she know? What does she think is going on? What do you think that you guys are doing? Does she have any idea?
So she knows that I make videos.
Huh.
And they come online, but I don't think she has an idea that how many people watch those videos.
Correct. Does she doesn't know that you guys are famous.
Yeah, that obviously she doesn't know. And she's also famous. She doesn't know that.
She's also she doesn't know that she's famous too. But tell me, I saw this one Instagram account of her, which I think you guys only created. Obviously, she's not going creating an Instagram account. But tell me, what is the plan for this? Are you at what age are you planning to give this to her?
There was no such plan, Renan. I mean, जो भी हम लोग की journey है, the place we are at now, there was no such as plan कि यहाँ तक पहुँचेंगे. And I think most of the this is the beauty of social media, that you just discover yourself on the way.
True.
So I think I created that account just because people wanted to see more pictures of him, just dedicated pictures of her. Sorry, there is no such plan कि मैं उसको दूँगा, gift it to her, बेटा ये लो, इसको आगे बढ़ाओ ले.
And I think, Renal, what I believe is that maybe she would be very good at it, or maybe she won't, or maybe she doesn't want to pursue it. So we don't plan things like that. We think, okay, let it go as of now. We'll see and we'll go along with the flow.
Yeah.
जैसे भी होगा.
Yeah, I mean, is that the go along with the flow? Is it the same plan for when she grows older, and if she doesn't want to be a part of the vlogs? Is that the plan? I mean, then would you be like, yeah, that's fine because that's her decision to make?
Absolutely.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh, fair enough. Tell me, what was the?
Don't want a boring face in a vlog as it is. So
yeah,
she doesn't want to be.
yeah, fair enough. That's true. You don't want her to be the Kylie Jenner of Keeping Up with the Kardashians. How often do you put out a vlog now? Is it every day? Not every day, right?
Every day.
Every day.
Yes.
My God. Okay, tell me something. Because you have this whole living in the moment and we will put out everything in the present, then how much time of a day? Because I want people to know that this is not an easy thing to do. You have to shoot it, you have to edit it, and you edit really well. I have said this before. So tell me how much time of a day goes into putting out a YouTube channel every day?
It's like shooting is throughout the day.
Yeah.
So you're living your life and you're shooting.
Yeah.
But after 8:30, I just shut my doors and sit for edit. And I get up at around 11:30.
Yeah, that's crazy.
For half an hour, I engage with my audience, comments, likes, hearts, and replies. That half an hour is dedicated, and I see how the video is doing. Every creator wants to see that कि भाई ये content चला कि नहीं. Then at around 12:15, she makes a mango shake for me.
How really cute!
Nice. And then I go and work on my gaming channel. I'm preparing something for that. तो उसका मैं करता हूँ.
Yeah.
So I get 2 hours to that, and by 2:30 I go to bed.
I would add another thing to it. So he, in between, he shoots for Fit Muscle TV as well, and he edits that as well, and he tries to put video for that.
That is crazy. Hats off you, I guess. Well done. I'm so proud. Which side are you on with this whole YouTube versus TikTok battle? Because I realize that I'm on the side of content, whatever platform it is. How have you guys been dealing with this? Because there is suddenly a lot of drama.
मैं सर साइंस की तरफ से बोलूँगा. No, I also same side. I'm on the side of content. Now I believe everyone has the liberty to roast anyone.
Yeah.
It should be entertaining. It should have some content. You cannot just call names and call it कि मैंने roast कर दिया.
Yeah.
That person you are roasting should have done something that he deserves a roast on that piece of content which he made.
Yeah.
अब कोई अच्छा काम भी कर रहा है उसको roast करोगे तो that doesn't make sense.
Correct.
So now Carrie did a roast on TikTok. It was a good roast, but then again I made a video on that thing that where things went wrong was his audience is very young to understand that how they should behave. So roasting as a culture originated in the West and we copied it, came to India. Over there, they will roast you on your religion, on your God, on your color, on your race, and people will laugh it out.
Yeah.
They'll sit for 2 hours on that show, laugh it out, go home, chill, भूल गए.
Yeah. Correct.
यहाँ पे आपने अगर उनके भगवान को या कंट्री को कुछ बोल दिया, oh भाई, this is the issue, you are finished.
Yeah.
So roasting is not roasting in this country. People are too much like they take everything on their. अरे हमें कैसे बोल दिया, they are not that. मतलब it is fun loving when it is not something which hits them. They can't take much if it hits them. So that's what I say. If you're borrowing the roast culture from them, then also borrow how maturely the audience behaves in that part of the world.
We need to calm our that.
Yes.
I suddenly felt like, Rashu somewhere in the background. I didn't want to say these things. I'm done asking you questions. Now we have questions from your fans, okay? The first one is from Varun Revealed. He's asking, have you ever had an emergency situation while you were on board on a flight?
So difficult time has been weather. So weather also they have classified in 3 categories. So if there's a big cloud, outer region is green. That means if you don't have a way to go, if you're stuck, you can still touch on the green and go.
Correct.
The amber part which will like shake you, and the red part if you go it will make you upside down, and God knows what will happen. Like sometimes there was such a big line that you don't know where to go, and then you take 100 miles deviation, and then when you take that deviation it is so fuel consuming, then there is another problem, boss. Fuel.
This is from, she's very sassy. She's called not your girl _Parul. Okay. Her question is, what is the most important lesson you want Rashbari to learn?
I would want her to be kind.
Yeah.
And remain down to earth. So this is something which I want her to learn from me. Although I don't want to say that, I'm too great. No, but yes, that's what I feel, that quality of mine really I would want her to inherit. So I would want her to remain down to earth no matter what.
So Ranjan, the catch here is, I've been in conversation with parents who have similar problem, like if kids famous hai, parents famous hai. So the catch is, early on you tell them, you keep them grounded. You tell them that it will all go away and it is not so don't make them high-headed from day one. And this can be an advantage. So I always see there's advantage and disadvantage in every situation. This is how you take the situation. So I'm taking the situation is like, when people say you are exposing her to so many people, I take it as she'll become very confident at very young age.
Yeah.
She will develop soft skill that most of you guys won't have till 30.
Yeah, that's very cool.
So she will have, if you go, she's a crowd, she say hi to everybody. She greets everyone.
Yeah.
So I always take a positive side and what she can learn out of the situation, and not, dar jayegi, chupa ke rakho usko.
Yeah. That's fantastic. Yeah. Next question is from Himank. What is the most annoying thing about each other?
यार ये इतना गुस्सा करते हैं इनको ना, he's very short tempered actually. गुस्सा बहुत नहीं करते, वो short tempered है. इनको कोई शर्ट नहीं मिल रही, पूरी अलमारी ऐसे कर देंगे, सब बिखरा देंगे. इतना गुस्सा आता है मुझे उस टाइम पे. इनका गुस्सा ना बहुत जल्दी है.
She doesn't get ready on time.
I'm pressuring her, he leaves me. Every time.
Cliche couple problem.
ये गलती मेरी नहीं है. He never gives me time. अगर लड़कियां like I just got ready in 15 minutes. Trust me, 15 minutes. Even for today, he won't give me time. He will get ready in 5 minutes. उसके बाद he will like push me like चलो.
So you start getting ready like 1 hour in advance. Why do you want to start when I start and then say I need more time?
Okay, guys, I don't want to create problems between you guys. You guys are very sweet together. Please stay there. Don't start an argument now. Last question is from Saujanya Murthy _. When are they planning for Baby Beast 2?
As soon as we know, we'll let you guys know.
Okay, done. I'm sure Saujanya will be happy with that answer. I think Saujanya must be your mother-in-law. This is her fake Instagram account. Okay, now these were your fan questions. I'm glad they sent some really good questions. Now this is the last segment of the show, which is going to be a game. Who made the first move?
Me.
Really?
First move in what? What sense? Me.
No.
Me. He was more romantic and he was very romantic. But अभी जब से बच्चा हुआ थोड़ा कम हो गया है.
The game today is a pointing game. Okay, I'm going to ask you questions. You have to point at who's more likely to do this. Who made the first move?
नहीं.
Really?
First move in what? What sense?
खाना बनाने के लिए और क्या?
No.
I thought कि थोड़ा जैसे
No.
I thought
Don't say it, please.
What? Okay, tell. What is it?
No, let it, no.
नहीं I
No, she's taking it
हाँ,
on
so I
another
took
level.
the first move. हाँ, like,
She sent me a Facebook friend request. That was all.
What nonsense? What were you guys talking about before?
No. Next question.
Okay.
I thought
Next
you're
question,
talking
next
about when you made the first move.
Arey, let the woman speak. Yeah, what nonsense? You speak, Ritu. Ritu, you are a citizen of this country. You have every right to express your opinion. Please express.
I
Don't
thought
say it.
first move to kiss.
So in that case, who made the first move?
Yeah, karo answer.
Very good. That's, I mean, it's a normal thing. You had a baby together, guys. Calm down. Who's more romantic?
I think.
So before Raspberry was born, he was more romantic and he was very romantic. But अभी जब से बच्चा हुआ थोड़ा कम हो गया है.
Who's the better pilot? Ooh, interesting.
Me.
Oh, really? It's a unanimous answer. I love it. Who snores louder?
Him.
Who spends more time staring at their phone?
Him.
Oh, okay, not bad. Who's more dramatic?
Me.
Great. Who takes the longest to get ready? Oh God. Okay, who's a better dancer?
Me.
No.
Me.
No.
More than man.
Not.
Okay, and finally, who's more likely to lose their keys or wallet?
Both of us.
Like, who's more likely to lose things?
Both of us.
Both of us.
Oh, okay.
We are totally
Just clumsy in general, both of you.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, that was the game. I have to tell you, there's usually not a way to find a winner for this game, but I will crown Ritu as the winner of this game for the honesty in the first question.
Oh.
My answers were very crisp. Gaurav
Correct.
very diplomatic.
How crisp can you be just pointing fingers? How crisp?
No. But this victory is for the explanation in the first question. Where she was like, I thought who made the first move? It was for this.
You know what is the good part doing this online?
Yeah.
But I only have to dress up like Upar.
Me too. Okay, towards the end of Access Allowed, every episode we do something called a virtual hug. Okay, which is where we reach the camera for a hug and we take a screen grab.
So we have to sing also something, or it is fine?
No, just stay there silently for 1 second.